Hey, today we've got a 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum Edition, brand new all aluminum truck in the shop here for a door ding in the driver's door. We're going to show you how we take this dent out here today. Now our customer had called obviously upset that he had a door ding in his brand new 2018 aluminum Ford F-150. And a lot of times people will even ask us how we fix dents in aluminum. And the technique is still the same for paintless dent repair. We still go behind the panel and push the dents out the same way we do. Just working on an aluminum dent is a lot more complicated and it takes typically twice as long sometimes to do a proper repair. Now with this aluminum dent repair that we had here, one technique we use is heating the panel. And a lot of times we still do this with steel, but definitely with aluminum, we try to get it between 100 to 125 degrees. This just makes it a lot easier to work with the aluminum to push the dent out from the inside, and a lot more easier to give us a proper smooth repair. Now you can see here we go down the door and push the dent out from the inside, and this particular dent was just below the door handle and right above a door brace. Now our customer had said that he swung the door open a little bit too hard and it hit a mirror on another car, and that's what caused this door dent. Now if you have a newer vehicle that has an aluminum panel, you definitely want to find somebody that specializes in aluminum dent removal so that you get the excellent results that you'd like to get your car restored back to new. And now with this damage, we're just doing some finishing touches on it here, buffing it out, and obviously got some excellent results for our customer for his brand new vehicle. Alright, thanks for checking out the video here today for the paintless dent repair that we had. If you get any questions about the repairs we did on this truck or just paintless dent repair in general, you can check out some of these other videos we have that might explain more information on it. If you are local to the Blaine, Minnesota area and you would like to get your door ding taken care of, you can contact me here. My phone number is 763-780-4000, or just visit my website here at exceldentremoval.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.